Hey guys, to fix this error, that's what you need to do here. First, completely close Epic Games. Go to Task Manager, look for Epic Games Launcher, and completely close it. Should be nothing on the Task Manager or computer itself. Then you need to write run. And here you need to write %local app data %. Then look for Epic Games Launcher folder. Go to saved and delete everything that is web cache with the cache name on it, right? Then what you need to do here is to relaunch Epic Games. And once you're on Epic Games, you need to, as you can see here, go to library. Then you need to go to a Rocket League, press on the 3 dots, manage, and then you need to press on verify files. After that, press on the folder here. Then you need to go to TA game, and if there is cache files here as well, delete it. In my case, there is none, so I don't need that. And guys, if this did not work as well, completely close Epic Games as well. From your system tray should be no Epic Games. And then what you need to do here is to open up a file explorer, and you just need to go to documents. On documents, you need to go to my games, find Rocket League, and then you just need to rename that particular folder. So just put one letter or whatsoever, and then after you do so, launch Rocket League, Epic Games and Rocket League, and it should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.